What if the same AI that people fear could be your ticket to financial freedom? People are scared to losing their jobs to robots, but here is how you can make a robot pay your daily income. In this video, I will show you step by step how to set up and to start a crypto trading robot that works for you 24/7, even while you sleep. In this moment, AI is disrupting everything. People are scared to lose their jobs, to lose their incomes, and they're right. But instead of being afraid of AI or robots, you should find a way to make AI and robots work for you. Passive income is by far the best income that you can get. Why? Because you can be passive. You don't have to do anything. And I know there are so many people out there, they want to sell you a course, the new passive income idea, but at the end of the day, very few of them really work. And yeah, there are people out, they know how to trade, but most of the people don't know how to do it and even lose their money. So now imagine if you would have a robot that works for you and trades for you 24/7. Consistent, profitable, never tired, never complaining, just buying a coin and selling with profit. Absolutely emotionless. Happened whatever happened, the bot got 4 strategies, buys and sell, when the algorithm tells him and not when it feels good. But without any further ado, let me show you exactly how you can get the bot, how you can set up the bot, how you can start the bot, and how can you finally receive every day an income.
First thing you should do is go to UltimaTrading.com. I will leave you the link in the description and the pinned comment. And here you see all the information. I will explain you this a little later. And you have all the information that you might need to be sure if this is for you or not. Then you click here, sign up. You should put here your email, a password, confirm the password, your name, your surname, and the country where you're living in. And then you just click here, you accept the conditions. If you want to read the general terms or the data and private policy, you can click here and you can see it. And then you just click here, you will solve the CAPTCHA, and you're ready to go. So now you need to go into your email and confirm your account. Okay, as you can see here, email already arrived. I click here and the account will be confirmed. So now what you can do is do the login. Put your email, put your password, click on it, solve the CAPTCHA again, and log in. Now you are set. Just open again the page Ultima Trading and click on sign in. Click here again. Now there is a legal notice. You have to agree to the privacy policy, terms and conditions, and terms of use. And you can just do it like this. If you are interested, you can click on it and can read it. Confirm. So now you can choose a license, and you can see here there are licenses for 550, 1,100, 5,500, 11,000. I will just show it here with the license of 1,100. You can trade with this license, or this bot can trade with this license up to 22,000 euro. So, and the optimal amount would be 11,000 euros. So you click here, and now you see here the option of USDT freezing. What does it mean? This does mean that you pay the bot, but you will get your money back in frozen Ultima coins. So if the Ultima coin goes up, can be that you after 3 years even get more than you paid for the bot. If it goes down, you get less back. But anyway, as you pay the bot, you would not expect to get anything back. So I think it's a very good deal. Now you click here, and attention, Ultima token were frozen for 3 years. That means from your USDT that you pay, they will buy Ultima and they will freeze it for 3 years. So now you have to put here an unfreezing Ultima wallet. If you don't have an Ultima wallet, please go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and download Smart Wallet, because if you get your money back after 3 years, it will come to your wallet. And obviously, if you don't have a wallet, where should they send your money to? I will link you here a video how to download and install the smart wallet. Okay, now I put my Ultima wallet, and here is the amount that I have to pay. Now I have to pay $1,230, and remember, I will get this money back after 3 years in my Ultima wallet in Ultima token. If you have already USDT, you can do the payment now. If you don't have USDT, you have 24 hours to do this payment. And now I will show you how can you open an account in an exchange, because obviously one part is the bot, but the other part is your exchange, because the bot will just trade as it would be you. So you don't have to send your money to any company or give it to somebody and you have to trust him. No, the money is always with you. It's in USDT and the bot will just buy and sell for you, same as you would trade. So I choose now here MEXC exchange. You can find the link in the description or in the pinned comment. If you don't have an account on MEXC, MEXC is a very reliable exchange, very long on the market, very high volume, very solid. And that's why the company chose this exchange to connect their bot. So you open here MEXC.com, you go to sign up. You can put your mobile phone or an email. I use an email here, and then you put a password and you click on sign up, solve the puzzle, solve the CAPTCHA, and wait for your email. Okay, email is here. That's the code 533610. I will go back. 533610. And we are in. Amazing. Even you can get an up to $8,000 bonus here from MEXC. If you want me to make a video how to claim this bonus, please put me a comment here. And you can find here all the different bonuses that you can claim somehow.
Okay, now I will show you how you can get the USDT, buying them immediately from MEXC. Okay, you go to your MEXC account and then you click here on deposit. And here in the menu, you see buy crypto. You click on it and now you can choose the amount that you want to buy. So the maximum amount that you can buy here is $5,000. If you want to trade with $5,000 or with more, you have to do 2 steps. I will show you here now to buy $5,000, and maybe if you just want to use $5,000 for everything, you have to pay like $1,250 for the license, and then you have $3,750 for the trading. You can choose here different options, but use USDT, and here you have now the option to pay with a debit card, with a credit card, or even with a service like MoonPay. I highly recommend you do it with a debit or with a credit card, because that's the most easy part. You just click on it here. Now he will ask you for a detailed address, because you know it's something like a financial movement. You move money from the traditional financial system, US dollar, to the new financial system, to cryptocurrency. So they ask you some data, like here your address, the city, and the country where you're from. And now you see that this is the amount that you will receive, because sometimes very high transaction fees. In one of my next videos, I will show you how you can save money with this and cash out your crypto to fiat with very, very small transaction fees. But as of now, you have your USDT. Congratulations.
Okay, now you purchased the USDT that you need. What you have to do now is you copy here this wallet address and you go to MEXC and paste it, and you will do a withdraw from your MEXC account. And it's very important that if you ask for the withdraw, the USDT withdraw, you must choose the right blockchain. You see here, this is TRC20. So you copy here the wallet address, you paste it, and exactly this amount, 1,226.06.
So basically what you are doing now is you do a withdrawal from your MEXC account where you previously purchased your USDT. You go to MEXC, you click on withdraw, then you will be redirected here to this page. Remember here, USDT, you copy paste your address. It's very important. It's Tron network, okay? TRX20, same as you saw in the payment page. So now remember, it was 1,226.06, right? But now look here, you can see the receiver will get 1,225.06. There's just $1 missing. The system will not give you the bot license. So why is that? Because the fee is $1. Okay, perfect. So we change this here to 7, and you see here now the receiver will receive 1,226.06. Okay, and you can put here Ultima bot payment. You click on submit. You will see this message as a verification, and then you just click on submit and done.
Okay, now you have your MEXC account ready. You have purchased your USDT, or maybe you had already USDT. You paid the bot, everything is fine. And now comes the best part, connecting the bot. You can always click here how it works, and if you use BingX, it's here. All the steps are described, so it's almost impossible to get lost here, even with screenshots. So yeah, let's just do it step by step. I will follow the exact steps that I can see here, so I can be sure 100% that you can do it exactly like me. So if you are logged in, you basically go here, go to your profile, and then you see here API management. You click on it. Then you have to create a new API. For this, you go to the page and you copy here this IP address. You go back to MEXC and you paste this here, and here you can give it a name, for example, Ultima Trading Bot. And now it's important that you put the check marks here to what this bot can do. Okay, so he can view account details, he can view order details, and he can trade. Only this three, because you see here, withdraw, don't touch this. The bot should only view account details, view order details, and trade. And here, and now you click here. You have to have a two-factor authentication, and also you will get a code to your email created successfully. Now, this part is very important. You should copy this access to a file, but a file that's not on your computer, maybe a USB stick, because the secret key, the secret code will be shown one time only and never again. So if you lose access to it, then you have to create it again. There is no risk involved, but it's better to have it. Okay, now it's copied. And now you click here to trading pairs, and you use the trading pair Ultima USDT. There is another part, USDC is almost the same, so don't mix it up. It's Ultima USDT. In spot, perfect. Confirm, and again, you will get a code, and again, the two-factor authentication code, and voila, you have created an API key that you can give now to the bot to connect and start to trade for you 24/7. So now comes the best part. As you already purchased the bot, you will see your bot here if you click My Trading Bots. You click on it and you can see here it's MEXC. Okay, he will ask you the address key. And remember that we copied them and paste them. So now you copy paste them here and you click on integrate. It's connecting. Wow, the bot is running. Congratulations. Now we can see here the dashboard. You go inside and he shows you exactly that he did open a position immediately. Imagine, we just pressed the button and he already bought 186.44, and he made two orders. One order is like 186.44. And yeah, now here you can see also in the same back office, the charts. You can see which position is open, which position is closed, how much money did you make. So now basically you can go to sleep and let the AI do all the work for you. But before we start, I would like to show you how much money can you make with this bot, because you will ask maybe yourself, is it worth my time? Is it worth my energy? Is it worth my money? So let's find out. Here you see the bot already, and you see some results, and you see this month somebody made, bot number 141634, $20,000. There is somebody who received $20,000 just from his bot. I want to ask you a question. Are you making $20,000 by working in your job, in your company even? Put me a comment if you make $20,000 or more. If you make $20,000 or more, then you might think, okay, it's a little bit more money. But if you make less than $20,000, you could basically find out what this person is doing. I will show you this here obviously, and then just stop to work. But look here, the other person made 80,000, 18,000, 16,000, 13,000, 12,000, 11,000, 11,000. So you see, it's not just one person. There are many people that using the bots already, and I'm sure that here some people are quitting their jobs because AI is doing all the work for them. And let's be honest, with $20,000 a month, you can live very good, even with $10,000 a month. So now a week, how much is he making a week? $5K a week, $5,000 a week. Who's making that much money with his work? And a day, $1,000 a day. Yeah, you see? How would it be? You wake up in the morning, drink your coffee, watch out of the window, listen some birds singing, open your laptop and look at $1,000 profit. Wouldn't this be nice? So now the only thing you have to do is just wait until the bot makes you money every single day. But there's also something that you have to be aware of. You have to be realistic. So if you put, like you saw me here, $1,200 into a bot, you cannot expect to make every day thousands of dollars. So it is a bot, but it's not magic. He's not producing money. He's just trading, taking advantage of the market movements. And remember, different bots, different sizes gives you different returns. So as bigger your bot is, the bigger is the return. But I think this is common sense, and everybody will be happy with whatever this bot is trading for you, because in the end of the day, it's much, much more money than you can get in any bank or any other investment. Just to compare, if you invest in real estate, you can expect between 3 to 5% a year. And if this bot can make you 5% a month, this is amazing. This is 12 times more than you would get if you invest in real estate. And if you bring your money to the bank, let's not even talk about it.
So if you want the exact bot that I was using in this video, in the pinned comment and the description, you will find the link for the bot, for the exchange MEXC, and for the exchange BingX, where this bot also is working. Like this video and subscribe, because in the next days I will share all the profits that I have made with this bot. And also in one of the next videos I will show you a strategy to optimize even the results and to receive higher profits. If you have a comment or a question, just drop it and I will be happy to help or even answer it in one of my next videos. I wish you a happy trading, huge profits, and see you in the next video.